Hi, Coco. Hello. 3 weeks and 2 days old. Beautiful girl. So relaxed. Hey, Coco. Coco. Hello. Oh, do you just scratch yourself? Hey? You just scratch yourself in your mouth. Hello. You gonna smile? Are you gonna smile? Go on. Go on. Good girl. Ah, big yawn. Big yawn. Coco. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. You're a happy girl, aren't you? You say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Can you wave? Say bye-bye. Good girl.